Hey, what's up guys? Ezra here from EzraSlayton.com, and in today's video I'm going to share a website that pays you $3 for every survey that you can complete with them. But first, I want you to subscribe to the channel so I can share more of these opportunities with you. And also, if you'd like to make more than $3, if that's just not enough and you want to get more information on how you can make the big bucks, then click that first link in the description below and you'll get some more information on that. Now, today's website is called Pinecone Research. You may or may not have heard of them. They are one of the larger survey panels out there, and they've been around for a really long time. They're going to pay you $3 for every survey that you can complete. And if you choose to get paid out with PayPal, you can get your money within the next 24 hours after you complete that survey. If you decide to go with the traditional checks, then you have to wait a bit longer. It's going to be a few days if you wait for those mailed in checks. On the downside, they are not always open, so you can't always rely on these guys to get those $3 every 24 hours. So if you'd like more information on how to get more money coming in, again, I invite you to click that link in the description below. Check out this system that I am involved with, and let me know what you think. So that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section below the video. And I will see you in future videos. Peace.